In this video, I'll show you how to fix the imported battery message notification on your iPhone, which reads, "Unable to verify this iPhone has a genuine Apple battery. Health information not available for this battery." If you're trying to check your battery health and you're seeing this notification, I'll walk you through how to make it disappear. Let's get started. First, close this notification, then open the Settings app on your iPhone and scroll down to tap on General. Next, select Software Update and make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. If not, update to the latest version. After updating, force restart your iPhone. To do this, quickly press Volume Up, then Volume Down, and hold down the power button until you see the Apple logo. Once the Apple logo appears, release the button and let your iPhone restart. Once your device restarts, unlock it and go back to Settings. Scroll down and tap on Battery, then select Battery Health and Charging. You should now see the battery health and maximum capacity displayed, and the imported battery message notification should be gone. That's it. This is how you can remove the imported battery message from your iPhone. And that was it. Subscribe. It's free.